Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Kanta Aesthetic. Today, I'm excited to show you an exclusive look at one of our most innovative machine, the Metaphor 8 Microneedling RF Machine 3-in-1. This machine is a game changer in skin rejuvenation and collagen induction therapy. We'll be going through a step-by-step installation and demonstrating how to operate it to achieve the best results for your clients. So, let's dive right in and get started. What is Metaphor 8 Microneedling? Metaphor 8 is a radiofrequency, RF, microneedling treatment that stimulates collagen production, tightening and firming of the face and body skin. Metaphor 8 is much more effective than the other types of microneedling treatments machine, with the machine's energy penetrating deeper into the skin than most other devices, and a unique burst mode that enables multiple layers of skin to be treated simultaneously to create a more powerful collagen stimulation. The machine's energy penetrates deeper into the skin than most other devices, plus it has a unique burst mode that allows multiple layers of skin to be treated simultaneously to create a more powerful collagen stimulation. The machine combines RF with microneedling technology to stimulate remodeling of dermal fat tissue. The microneedling itself triggers a healing response, which in turn boosts collagen and elastin production and promotes tissue remodeling, including thickening and tightening. How does Metaphor 8 microneedling work? Metaphor 8 microneedling technology is used in conjunction with radiofrequency energy to reach deeper layers of the skin. Microneedling uses fine needles to repeatedly pierce the surface of the skin, causing microtrauma which triggers collagen production, the body's natural healing response, in the targeted area. At the same time, radiofrequency energy is delivered to the undersurface of the skin. This causes the tissue to coagulate, resulting in flaking and collagen remodeling. This is a before and after comparison of client's treatment. This is the main body of the machine. This is the foldable screen. Now let's begin installing the machine. Here are 2 screws. We unscrew them and install the handle brackets on either side. Install the ice hammer handle by placing it on the bracket and connecting it to the handle socket at the back of the machine. Align it with the hole and insert. We will follow the same procedure to install the second handle, the body handle. This is the foot pedal. Place the foot pedal on the ground and connect it to the corresponding socket. Place the third handle, the facial handle, on its bracket and connect it to the handle socket at the back of the machine. Align it with the hole and insert. This is the second foot pedal. Connect it to the corresponding socket and place the pedal on the ground. Our handles and foot pedals are now all installed. This is what the 2 foot pedals look like after installation. Now, let's install the needles on the 2 right side handles. Align the needles with the slots on the handles, and push in straight to insert. Press the button at the bottom of the machine to power it on. The device boots up into the work system interface, displaying a prompt to swipe a card for activation. Place the magnetic card in the sensing area, and the system will automatically recognize and complete the activation. There are a total of 5 storage modes, the last one being the storage button. The right side parameters correspond to the body handle. The first icon represents work time. The second icon represents handle energy. The third icon represents depth. The fourth icon toggles between fixed mode and burst mode. The fifth icon toggles between single and double shot modes. The sixth icon records the number of operations. The left side corresponds to the facial handle. The icons on both sides function the same. This is the ice hammer. This is the version code. This displays the remaining number of card swipes. This is the power switch for the body handle. The one on the left is for the facial handle. M1 M5 represent the 5 parameter storage modes or retrieval selections. Press the last button to save these parameter settings. Here corresponds to the ice hammer handle. Press the up and down icons to adjust the energy. The handle lights up, indicating it is operational. Select the body handle and adjust the parameters accordingly. Press the start button, and the handle begins operation. Step on the foot pedal switch once. The handle lights up, indicating that a microneedle has been fired. After the microneedle retracts from the skin, step on the foot pedal switch again to fire. Select the facial handle. Its operation is consistent with that of the body handle and requires the use of a foot pedal. Thank you for watching our detailed guide on the Metafor 8 Microneedling RF machine. I hope this video has helped you understand how to properly install and use this incredible device to enhance your treatment offerings. For more information, visit our website at cantaesthetic.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos and innovations. I'm Lisa, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care and elevate your beauty treatments to the next level.